Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Jenkins to upload your AVK/IVA files directly to DIAWI.com. If you are not familiar with DIAWI.com, it's basically a tool for developers to deploy development and in-house applications directly to their devices. So the first thing that we need is to have a working DIAWI.com account and also to have an API access level. To generate an API access level, we go to Profile and then we go to API Access, and then we select a description, something so that we can memorize it, just like maybe demo underscore token, and then we hit generate. This is a token. This is how it looks like. Make sure that you save it anywhere on your disk drive, or maybe email it to yourself because it will not be displayed later. So for this moment, I'll just copy it and paste it in the Jenkins because I'll not be using it anymore after that. After obtaining an API access level, we have to make sure that we have the required plugins installed. So I'll just go to install and search for DIAWI.com. As you can see, I have the latest version of the DIAWI upload plugin installed, which is version 1.3. I will also be using the email notifications. I'll also be using the email extension plugin, which is a plugin to send an email, editable email notification. So let's start now with checking the configuration of the job. I have already configured one job for this demonstration, so let's have a look. As you can see, this is basically a very simple job that just copy a test.apk file from the C drive to our current workspace. In order to add the DIAWI upload step, we just go to the add build step and then select DIAWI upload step. As you can see, I have already done that, so this is a DIAWI step that we have. First thing is to configure the token. This is a token that we just copied from the DIAWI.com website, so we can paste the token here. And then you have, if your Jenkins host connects to the internet using a proxy, so you have to configure the proxy settings here, otherwise just leave it as blank. Note that this port and protocol are only used if you already entered a proxy host, otherwise they are not used. So just make sure that you configure the proxy settings properly in case they are needed, and then we select the file that needs to be uploaded. Remember that this location, this is the location of the file, or the full path of the file, not the full path, but the relative path to the file relative to the current workspace. So this test.apk, as you can see, I have already copied it to directly to my workspace directory. So I'm just referring to it using its name. That's basically about the configuration of the DIAWI step, the DIAWI upload step. And now let's have a look at the email notification. As I mentioned, I am using the editable email notification plugin, and I'll not be going through all the configuration for this plugin. You can check it on the documentation online, but I just want to highlight how we can embed the link within our email content. As you can see, we use a special content. I'll copy and paste this special syntax here in the description. So this is basically it about the configuration of the job. So let's, I've already saved it before, so let's just go to our Jenkins. Now let's go to the previous ones and see how the log looks like. So as you can see, the file has been, this is basically simply copying the file to the workspace. And as you can see, this is the upload step. It's being uploaded. And as you can see, this job ID is not used for anything, so you can just ignore it. And as you can see, the file has been uploaded successfully, and here's the link to the file. And the email has been sent to my email. That's basically it. Very simple, very straightforward, and thank you so much.